aking microphone sa live. But, yon, thank you sa ating technical at hatagang kita nin signal. Alright, so para sa ating mga tagapag-antabay, mayon po kita sin special guest ngunya na pagkaaga-aram ko po na pighalat-halat po inikan sa tuyang mga kababayan. Ini po importantehon na atong interview ngunyan. Aram ta sa panahon ngunyan, importantehon ang satuyang kalusugan. Lalo na yan, grabe ang krisis na namamatian tangon yan. Unang tinatamaan sa di yung emosyon sa tao. No? Pag ang emosyon mo ang natamaan pala ng mga tugang, apektado sa di ang mental health mo. So, dahil dyan, sa krisis na ini, nag-invite po kita yung sarong tagapagsalita na may aram sa medical na assistance sa satuya. Ako, nakaka-proud para sa kuya at napaunlakan ako kay ni. Naaram ko, bisihunan ni na tao, pero napaunlakan kita. So, di ko na pagparaawat-awaton mga tugang. Asarok po sa kilala. Digdi sa bulan. As in ako, kilala ko naman po ini. Ang saro sa mga spokesperson kan Izumi. Please welcome ang satuyang guest for today, Mr. Elijah Salcedo. Good morning po, sir, and welcome po sa programang Bagong Bulan. Say hi and hello sa mga viewers nato and listeners po kang Wow Radio.
Yes, good morning sa Indugabos. Diyos marhay na aga sa Indugabos, Sir Romel. Sa mga listeners ng Wow Smile Radio 95.3 Bulan. So it is also an honor sa part po namin na maimbitahin niyo po kami dito sa inyong radio station.
O kasi sa totoo lang, sir, ang dami ko nang naririnig, ang dami ko nakikita, at kahit ako ay kumbaga sa artista, kumbaga nagkaroon ako ng interest. What is the Izumi para sa ako? Kaya nga, mamaya i-explain ko bakit nagka-interest ako sa Izumi. Kasi sabi ko, ang ganda ng effect nitong Izumi sa isang tao. At ako po ay isang buhay na patotoo. Sabi nga, buhay na patotoo kung ano ang naitutulong ng Izumi. Pero magkaganda pa man, sir, pwede po bang ipakilala muli natin ang iyong sarili sa ating mga tagapakinig? Sino nga ba si Sir Elijah Salcedo?
Yes, so ako is one of the I'm the National Sales Director of Izumi Wellness Center. So we have branches nationwide. So I've been in this company for almost 10 years already, no? So ang ginagawa po natin is to make sure na maipaliwanag natin what will be the benefits of Izumi Wellness Center, especially sa mga may health concerns. So, nandito ako today to give some, what do we call that, knowledge, about Izumi Wellness Center because, alam mo, Sir Romel, 99% ng mga tao, hindi nila alam what is Izumi and what is the therapy machine na ginagamit po natin.
Ayun.
Yes.
Siguro sa unang, kasi gusto kong ubusin ng isang oras ko sa'yo.
Yes.
Which is sa mga interview ko talagang 30 minutes lang po talaga inila.
Thank
Pero
you.
dahil alam ko po, itong araw na ito ay malaking ambag sa ating community. So first question ko po, sir, ano nga ba ang Izumi? Bakit natawag itong Izumi? Saan nanggaling itong name na Izumi, sir?
Alright. Well, ang Izumi is a Japanese word na ibig sabihin it's a fountain of youth.
Ayan.
No, so ibig sabihin tayo hindi naman tayo magiging habang buhay, pero most people are looking for that fountain of youth, no? So Izumi literally means the Japanese word is a fountain of youth. So doon siya nakuha yung pangalan ng Izumi, which is also related with our mission and vision of the company, which is we are talking about health, right? So pag pinag-usapan natin ng health, it's all about life, no? Kapag life ang pinag-usapan, it's all about we have to know the life expectancy ng isang tao. And alam mo ba, Sir Romel, for the 2026 life expectancy natin as a Filipino, it's now in 71 to 72 years old. That's the life expectancy ng isang Filipino. So kapag babae, that is 79 years old. At kapag lalaki naman, that's 72 years old.
Parang, sir, gusto ko nang gawin ang lahat ng gusto kong gawin hanggat hindi pa ako dumadating sa edad na yun.
That's correct.
Diba?
So, yung life expectancy, kung mapapansin natin, 7 years ang gap between male and female. So napag-aralan doon, it is because yung lalaki medyo yung mga trabaho, no, yung mga road accidents,
Mga bugbog sa trabaho.
bugbog, and
talaga.
at the same time the lifestyle as
Yeah.
well. So ngayon dito sa Izumi Wellness Center, ang pinopromote talaga natin is how to restore our body, no? Paano natin maibabalik yung body natin in balance kasi everything is balance. So yun nga, we start with the name. Izumi means it's a Japanese word
Okay.
which is the fountain of youth. So lahat tayo gustong bumata. Ayaw natin mapabilis, no? Kasi lahat naman tayo pupunta doon sa pagtanda.
Yes.
No?
Pero siyempre, gusto natin tumagal pa ang buhay natin.
That's right. So ang gusto naman natin, pabagalin yung pagtanda.
So ngayon po sir, dahil nandito na sa bulan ang Izumi, I am one of the familiar dyan sa Izumi, like for example sa Sorsogon City, kasi doon ako dati naka-assign sa Sorsogon City, narinig ko na ang Izumi, marami talagang pumipila doon. And I am so happy because nandito ang Izumi sa bulan to help the community doon sa kanilang mga karamdaman. And I am one of the client ng Izumi actually, and my family. Actually, sabi ko nga sa iyo sir, mas nauna pa ang family ko magpa-treatment sa Izumi. And yung nakita ko yung improvement ng aking family, doon na rin ako nagkaroon ng time. Kahit sa sobrang hectic ng aking schedule ko, naglaan ako ng oras sa Izumi. Why? Yung pala sir, is very important talaga ang health.
Yeah.
No? So ngayon sir, kung tayo doon sa ino-offer ng Izumi sa ating mga kababayan, paano sila nagkakaroon ng treatment at paano natutulungan ng Izumi ang kanilang kalusugan?
Thank you for that very good question. And syempre, marami din hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin, hindi nila alam kung ano ang gagawin. And setting up a very clear expectation is really, really important.
Yes.
Ngayon po, ang Izumi Wellness Center is a social enterprise. So our mission actually napakaganda is about love, care, and share. No? So ang gagawin lang po doon, of course, you have to bring yourself and magkakaroon tayo ng interview to know what is your current problem when it comes to your health. No? Alamin natin ano yung concern po ninyo. And after that, upon registration, you go the treatment already. Ngayon po, yung treatment natin, ang tawag natin doon is the high potential therapy. Ano po? And I believe not all people alam yung ganitong klaseng treatment. Kasi we have two medical system. We have the conventional medicine and we have the non-conventional medicine. So, conventional medicine, in short, it's the Western medicine, which is, ito yung
Yung mga
ginagamit.
nagtitake ka ng ano?
Ito yung mga ginagawa ng mga professionals like doctors, yung ating mga professional when it comes to medical field. And we also have what we call non-conventional medicine.
Give me the example, sir. Doon sa sasay mo ng kundi.
Alright. Yeah. So non-conventional medicine, ibig sabihin, that includes complementary medicine. We also have the alternative medicine, and the other one is integrative medicine. So sa integrative medicine is about holistic, no? It's the body, it's the mind, and the spirit. So that's the integrative medicine. So ang Izumi Wellness Center, we are under the non-conventional, no? So meron tayong tinatawag na mga natural products. So ibig sabihin that includes mga herbal products, natural products. We also have the body and the spirit, which is we have the yoga practices, meditation, chiropractic or whatever. And also we have here yung tinatawag naman po natin na traditional medicine, like the Chinese traditional medicine. That's include sa ating mga non-conventional. And saan papasok si Izumi? So that's very important. Papasok ang Izumi under energy therapy naman.
So ibig sabihin, ang Izumi is from the energy.
Yes.
How about doon sa sinatawag na natural?
Natural.
Natural.
Correct.
Saan yung papasok, sir?
Okay, sa natural kasi pag sinabi nating natural, ang qualification doon or under that requirement is yung mga herbal.
Herbal products.
Mga products, yung mga natural, which is actually good naman po, no?
Yeah.
So sabi nga natin sa Izumi Wellness Center, the reason why we have Izumi Wellness Center to have an additional option, no? Kasi 'di ba, we've been used to pag-inom ng gamot, no? Meron din tayong tinatawag na yung iba sa hilot, sa albularyo and everything, tama ba? So ngayon naman ang Izumi Wellness Center, our main purpose is to give option for Filipino people na pwede ring makatulong sa kanilang health problem. Kaya pumasok na siya as a non-conventional, which is under energy therapy.
So yun na yun sa Izumi.
Yes, alright. So yung machine natin, sir, It's under energy therapy because this machine produces energy. And we know what energy means, no? Energy means the ability to do work. So if the energy means the ability to do work, and
Okay.
if you're having problem with your body, it means you need that energy to heal your body. So doon tayo pumapasok. The treatment that we're using in Izumi Wellness Center, it's about an energy therapy.
Ito ba, sir, parang example ko, parang para tayong cellphone. Yung parang in-recharge pa tayo dahil yung may mga time na parang low ang health natin, parang low energy tayo, nire-recharge nito Izumi.
Exactly.
Wow.
Actually, that's the best explanation para maintindihan natin how it works, no? It's the same with our cell phone. So if you're using it for like 10 hours, of course, malulubat siya.
Yeah.
And our body is a biological battery.
Okay.
No? And actually, maraming mga pag-aaral, sir, that ang cells natin is run by a voltage. No? So if there's no voltage, ibig sabihin hindi siya magra-run. So that's how important electricity in our body. And actually, 99.99% hindi alam that we are an electrical being. Kasi ang pagkakaalam natin, the electricity that we use sa ating bahay, kasi that's the mindset, no? Kasi pag sinabi natin electricity, dalawa yan. The number one is, ang electricity, it can cause death. Siyempre naman, pag nakuryente ka, nag-ground ka, pwede kang masunog, pwedeng pumutok ang ugat natin. So, sa Izumi kasi, we're using the bioenergy and that is what we call current inside the body.
So, kasi
Bioenergy.
kuryente yung sir, Siyempre, pag kuryente, alam natin, ay, parang kuryente, delikado to. Paano nyo napiprevent yun, sir? At the same time, ilan po yung voltage niya?
Alright.
Siyempre, hindi basta-basta, basta lang sasaksak tayo eh. Ilang
Correct.
voltage po ba yung ginagamit ng Izumi para sa mga treatment na yan?
Okay, so we have to have a very clear understanding when it
Okay.
comes to electricity. So we have the voltage, we have the ampere, we have the current, we have the power.
Okay.
So ngayon, ang ginagamit kasi natin sa bahay, di ba yung voltage natin, that's 220 volts, right? So yung 220 volts but higher in current. Kaya pwede siya makaano ng aircon, pwede kang mag-run ng high in power, no? Samantalang sa Izumi naman baliktad. Ibig sabihin, the product that we're using, high voltage but low current. Ibig sabihin, from the machine itself, nag-regulate siya into a 9,000 volts but the current is mababa. No? So baliktad po siya. Ano ho? So bakit kailangan ang body natin must be in a high voltage? It's because in the first place, yung cells natin is run by a voltage. So napag-aralan na rin po yan na katulad ng mga salamanders, no? Yung mga salamanders, kapag naputulan ng buntot, kahit yung mga tabili, no? Pag naputulan, nagre-regenerate, right? So, ang findings doon, kaya pala gano'n, nagre-regenerate ulit siya, it's because they are high voltage. Their cells is double the high voltage. And at the same time, kapag ang tao nagkakasakit, automatically, your voltage is mababa. Lower voltage cells kapag nagkakasakit ang tao. And of course, kapag nagkakaedad ka na, ibig sabihin your battery is in a lower voltage. So what's the best option, no? Ano yung option mo doon? Kasi dapat maintindihan muna natin that we are an electrical beings. Kasi kung hindi yun natin yun maiintindihan or we cannot accept the fact that we are really an electrical being, hindi natin maiintindihan why you need this high potential therapy. So first, you have to understand that we are an electrical being. So paano natin yan mapapatunayan, sir, that we are an electrical being? So for example, you have your heart problem. Because your problem, we have an electrical system sa puso natin. So
Yung ba yung parang mga mahina yung pagtibok ng puso?
That's correct.
May heart problem, covered na rin po niya ng illness niyo po.
yeah, so actually po, kapag may heart condition, ang chine-check doon is the electrical signal. So merong ECG, di ba? So nagpapatunay po ito that our body is an electrical system. Not only your heart, even your brain, you need to consume electricity. It's around 80% of your consumption is in the brain. That's why kapag nakakaedad tayo, of course, if you're in a lower voltage, so the transmission or yung tinatawag nating transformation or transfer of information in the body, kapag mababa yung voltage, of course, is also affect, no? Yung tinatawag nating transfer of message para yung ating mga cells gumana. So ngayon po, una, we have to understand that we are an electrical being. And kapag naintindihan na natin that our body is run by a voltage or electricity, kasi Ang tawag na sa kuryente kapag nasa loob na ng katawan natin is the bioelectricity.
Doon na yung papasok.
Yes,
Yung
bioelectricity,
ng tawag.
correct. Kasi it's about
So ano yun? Kasi siyempre sir, pag tinawag na bio, may electricity, makakuryente rin ba tayo? Ano lang ko to.
Correct.
Kasi siyempre may kuryente na ang yung katawan. Wala namang ano to sa yung katawan. I mean, bad effect sa yung kalusugan, wala naman po.
well, actually, that's the thinking ng mga tao kapag tinatawag natin siyang electricity. Even me, myself before, syempre, no? But we have to understand that this is a high voltage but low current. So the only current is around 0.05 milliamp. So dun yan sinusukat, the milliamp. And ang delikado sa body na pwede ka makuryente if it's under 2 ampere. So 1 milliamp or 1 amp is equivalent to 1,000 milliamp. So para masabi natin na may effect sa body natin na pwede ka talaga makuryente, that needs to be 2 ampere. So that's 2,000 milliamp.
2,000 ampere.
So the machine, yung ating ginagamit po for our body, it is high voltage but low current. So it means that it is only 0.05 milliamp. So the answer there, kung makukuryente ka or pwedeng pumutok ang ugat po niyo, that is impossible. Kasi pag sinabi natin na eruption or sinabi natin pagputok, you need pressure, you need heat, no? So our machine, hindi siya nagpo-produce ng ganun. So that's really impossible na magkaroon ng cause ng pagputok and everything. Since that, yun nga po, the purpose of our wellness center is to give information or the right information to people that, syempre, alam natin that electricity can kill. But actually, the wellness center or the energy that we're using can actually heal. So it's a matter of understanding. No? So yun po, that's our purpose kung bakit po tayo nag-open ng wellness center, which is Izumi. Kasi nga po, we want to add an option ba? No? Kasi 'di ba, sanay na tayo sa pag-inom ng gamot. Kung hindi kinakaya ng gamot, we do the herbal. Pag hindi kinaya din ng herbal, pupunta ng albularyo, which is
baka ano daw, yung parang napaglaruan.
Which is before, hindi
diba?
naman naniniwala, no? Kaya lang kapag, if you really want to live longer, you have to look for more options for you, no? More options for you. Kaya, naglagay ng Izumi Wellness Center sa mga lugar na kung saan we are promoting other option. And also, we want to clear na hindi siya competition. Kasi when we talk about health, improvement and better condition is non-negotiable kung kahit saan man siya, for me, no? So, sa atin naman, we have the same mission, which is helping people to have an improvement. Kaya tinawag natin siyang therapy, no? From the word therapy, it means yung therapy that is a systematic attempt, no?
Okay.
To remediate health problem or health diseases. Kaya tinatawag siyang therapy. Remediate means kailangan natin ng improvement or to heal. Kaya ang tawag natin is also free therapy. But when we talk about wellness naman, wellness means bakit kailangan every day, no? Bakit kailangan mo siyang i-try for 30 days? Kasi kapag wellness, it means that you have to do it. You have to create a healthy habit. Kaya tinatawag siyang wellness. You have to start creating a healthy habit for you to be able to get the result, to be healthy. Ganun lang naman siya eh.
So, doon tayo nakapasok sir sa pag-recharge ng ating kalusugan. Ngayon, ito ng tanong.
Apo.
Actually, may mga advanced questions na ako na naiipon dito from our listeners and followers sa Wow Radio. Ang tanong nila, ano nga ba yung na-cover o na-heal nitong wellness? Anong mga sakit po ba? Kasi example, may nakikinig ngayon. Hindi natin alam, actually marami pang hindi aware actually ng wellness. So ano yung sakit na pwedeng matulungan nitong wellness na ito, Sir Elijah?
Alright. Well, actually, alam nyo, sir, one of our concern, no, as a Filipino, we are focusing on the fruit, no? So we have to think like a tree. Puno, right?
Okay.
Puno. So we have the root, we have the branches, we have the fruits. So ngayon, we are focusing on the fruit. For example, what's the fruit? Meaning the different diseases like hypertension, diabetes, kidney problems, arthritis, cancer, and so on. So it means that we are focusing on the fruit. But actually, the real problem is the root. The root, no? So for example, if there's problem with the root, ibig sabihin it will affect the fruit. So ngayon, sa Izumi Wellness Center, we are focusing on the root.
The roof.
The root,
Oo.
no? Yun ang pinaka-focus natin. Bakit ka nagka-diabetes? Bakit ka nagka-arthritis? Bakit you're having problem with your kidney, no? Ibig sabihin, there's the root cause, no? So, sa Izumi Wellness Center, we are telling our customer as part of education or imparting some knowledge that meron siyang pinagsisimulan, which is the root cause, bakit tayo nagkakasakit. And isa doon is the presence of too much acid inside our body. So, I think we are very much aware of acid, no? And the toxins. So, kung marami kang toxins sa katawan, of course, magkakaroon ka ng health problem in the future. So, ang goal here is the root. No, it's now the detoxification process that you need to detoxify all those toxins. Kasi nga, sir, papasok tayo sa tinatawag na preventive care.
Okay.
No, so balikan natin that we are actually improving as a Filipino when it comes to life expectancy. Kasi before, that's around 65 years old. But this time, it's now on 72 years old. So it means that the healthcare system is improving. And the number two is the awareness that most Filipino now are aware now of paano mag-prevent. No? So papasok tayo dito sa tinatawag na preventive care. No, even the most successful or pinakamayamang country or bansa sa mundo, they have this preventive care. So what is the essential foundation for a preventive care? Ibig sabihin, that is you have to remove to restore. No, so para ma-restore ang body mo, you have to remove something. So since bata tayo, we are now accumulating toxins inside our body. So, ibig sabihin, bata ka pa lang, syempre, your body is still strong, so wala ka pa mga signs and symptoms na pwede ka magkasakit.
O baka kaya pa naman ang
Kaya
ng
pa,
isang taon,
kaya
bata
pa ng
Pero
bata
pagkatanda
pa.
na, yun na.
Yun na po.
Ang mga complication lumalabas na.
Lumalabas na. So, the preventive care, essential foundation, is to remove to restore. So, meron kang kailangan alisin para ma-restore mo yung health. So, ang Izumi or the high potential therapy that we are using, one of the function is for detoxification. So, meron magsasabi that your body actually detoxifies. That's correct. Your body detoxifies. But the problem is, your body needs energy to detoxify. So, kapag konti na lang yung energy mo, kapag nagkakaedad ka na, di ba before, dumudumi ka 3 times a day, once a day, pero habang tumatanda ka na, hindi na siya 3 times a day, it's sometimes once a week. So, it's now constipated. Ano? So, dati, yung ihi mo, di ba, ganito, ganyan-ganyan. So, ang body mo, para makapag-detoxify, you need that sufficient energy. So, that's the purpose of charging your body. So, yun nga, yung tanong po natin kanina, anong gagawin mo doon? Uupo ka lang for 30 minutes and now you are charging your body. So, paano natin masasabi na ang body nagcha-charge? Well, actually, our body is a biological battery. So, it can absorb energy. So, kung pupuntahan naman natin yung law of energy, that energy cannot be created nor destroyed, but it can be transferred. So, ibig sabihin, the energy from the machine, it will be transferred to your body, and this is in a cellular level. So, ibig sabihin, every cells of your body will be recharged, and that is the reason why it is now connected with preventive care, which is remove to restore. So, kapag nababawasan ka na ng mga toxins in your body, binabawasan ka na, ibig sabihin po nun, your body is now restored to being healthy. Kaya marami ang nagti-therapy from white hair, nagiging black hair, yung kuko, nagiging mabilis ulit yung
So, yung
pagtubo.
naging effect nung na yan.
The
Aside sa
bio-
doon sa yung dating puti ang buhok, naging itim, ano pa yung mga pagbabago sa'yo? Ano mga effect sa'yo pag ikay ay nag-take nitong Izumi Wellness?
Alright, so kaya it's very important to attend our wellness therapy program. That's why we're offering it for 30 days because it's not easy to understand, no? So the purpose of that, why giving 30 days? Because according to the data, because we've been doing this for almost like 18 years already, na suitable for people to try it for 30 days because not all people can have a schedule. Katulad mo, you're so busy.
Yeah.
And of course, for a busy person, that's the reason why Izumi is really for you. No, sa mga busy person, why? Because if you're busy, you don't have time for yourself. So, iba yung focus natin. So, if that's your focus, you don't have time anymore. Kaya, the reason why Izumi is also for busy people, because the result ng mga taong busy, you don't have time for your health. That is the time you go to a wellness center. So, ngayon, sir, the effect, of course, meron siyang mga effect. Yung iba, they think that it is a side effect. But actually, this is not a side effect. Kasi side effect means you take medication or you have that injection or whatever. But since that we're using bioenergy, wala siyang side effect. But we call it healing process. No? So, ibig sabihin po, pwede kayo makaramdam ng after the treatment, pwedeng sumakit ang ulo mo, and that is because of the depletion of toxins or acid na inilalabas na sa body mo.
Pero panlalakit pa ng ulo mo, sir, temporary lang naman.
That's temporary. Temporary. And of course, it depends with the body condition. Kasi our body is different, no? Maybe sa'yo, one day pa lang, yung iba, after a week.
Yung ako, sir, mapasok ko ng mga katagapakinig ng Bagong Bulan, ma-interrupt ko lang si sir. Ako kasi, di ba, naka-ano na ako pang 4 days ko na ngayon. Ang second day ko, lagi akong inaantok. Sabi ko, hindi mo ako puyat, hindi mo ako, pero bakit ganun, sir?
Well, yes. Well, based on our data, no, kasi we just want to tell our, ang tawag nito, mga listeners, that the therapeutic device or the high potential therapy was been first used in Japan in 1928. 1928. So if you're going to compute it now, 2026, that's already 98 years.
Yeah.
And second is, yung machine was approved in 1963 by the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare in Japan. So if you're going to compute 1923 and 1963, that is 35 years before siya in-approve as a medical device.
So tagal din na pag-aaral.
Sobrang tagal. And also upon my research, it says that if you have a medical device, if you want that to be approved, yung pinakamahirap na approval is from Japan because they have the highest standards when it comes to quality, safety. So, isa ang Japan sa pinakamahirap to approve. So, this machine, since this is a Japan technology, so it was approved by the Welfare of Health, Labor and Ministry in 1963. So, kung 1963 tayo magbe-base up to 2026, so ilang years na siya? So, that's around 65 or 63 years na ginagamit na siya. So, we know that ang dami mga tinatawag na invention about breakthrough in everything, katulad ng mga gamot, and after that, may recall na tinatawag. Yung recall, for example, for lowering your cholesterol, there was something like a brand, so there's a recall. So what happened doon sa mga nakainom? Because na-find out na, okay pala, ito pala, meron silang ganito. But I'm so, ang tawag nito, confident with the product because if it's approved by 1963, and this is now in the 2026, there is no recall. No? Recall for that product. If there is a side effect or whatever. So it means how many years they've been using it in Japan sa mga medical, sa mga like hospitals, like mga iba-iba na pwedeng paggamitin ng ating high potential therapy. And at the same time, ginagamit ito as a household therapeutic device. So, yun po. Pag sinabi nating side effect, no, it is not a side effect. Ang tawag namin doon is improvement. You are now experiencing an improvement reaction. Yung iba, alam mo, dumi ng dumi, they feel like diarrhea. So, sabi ng aking client, sir, pwede ba akong uminom ng yung pampaano ba sa diarrhea? Sabi ko naman, it's part of the improvement reaction. So if you're going to take medicine for that to stop, ibig sabihin, ang ginagawa lang kasi ng medicine, your intestine will be like, parang i-freeze niya, parang hindi siya gumalaw, parang hindi ka dumumi. Ngayon, ang tao kasi you have to move. Every time you have to move. So even your digestive system, like your intestine, the large and small intestine, gumagalaw siya konti-konti. No? Gumagalaw siya konti-konti. So, ibig sabihin, pa-konti-konti hanggang sa mailabas yung dumi. So, you need that sufficient energy to do that. Kaya, when you're getting older, lack of energy ka. So, ibig sabihin, your body is trying to consume those energy to the most important thing or the vital things. Katulad ng palpitation of the heart, uunahin niya yon. Kidney filtration, uunahin niya yon. The liver detoxification, yun ang uunahin ng body mo to consume that energy. Hindi niya uunahin yung pagpatubo ng buhok mo, hindi niya uunahin
ang mga
everything.
toxin mo lang aalisin.
Right.
Para nang sa ganun, yung mga pagbabago sa katawan mo, mas madali
Correct.
progress.
Yes, and that is uulitin lang natin, the essential foundation for restoration or the preventive care is you have to remove to restore it. So yun po, yung may side effect po ba or whatever, you may feel discomfort if you're using the treatment because it's new to your body. So if ever you feel discomfort, you only have to ask our wellness consultant so that they can explain it to you. So sabi ko nga doon sa isang client natin that they have the diarrhea after the treatment, so I just told them that it is part of the improvement reaction. So don't take that You just have to, ano lang, the treatment for 30 days until maging normal siya ulit. So, hindi siya side effect. Some people think that it is a side effect na parang, bakit gano'n? Nung nag-therapy ako, parang feeling ko lalo ako nagkasakit. Yung aking tuhod, parang ladong namaga.
Nanakit.
Yung ganito,
Okay.
ganyan. But actually, that is an improvement reaction. So, we have studies regarding with that. And that is the reason why, if you are doing the treatment, by not just sitting down, the most important is you have to listen with the lecture. Because it's really, really important for you to understand how it works, para nang sa ganun. And also, we are encouraging our clients to ask question so that we can answer kung ano yung mga tinatanong nila, especially sa ating treatment na ginagawa dito sa Izumi.
Ayan. Ang dami na nating nalaman about the Izumi. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa mga question is answer, sir.
Aha.
May mga question and answer tayo dito
Okay.
from our listener. Mula ito kay Alma ng Barangay Zone 2. Sabi niya dito, I am 64 years old na po. Marami na pong complications sa aking katawan, sakit sa puso, mataas na uric acid, pamamaga ng mga daliri dahil mataas din po ang aking gout. Yan po ba ay may tulong ang Izumi sa akin? Dahil doon sa mga napag-usapan niyo po, parang ang ganda po kung nare-recharge at napapabago po ang kalusugan ng isang tao, lalo na po sa tulad kong senior. Pakisagot naman po. Salamat.